Are you ready to eat? Okay. Come on, we know the routine. All right, kids. Sit. Sit down. We know. How does this work? Sit. 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 Cooper doesn't have to sit because he's got bad knees, and Capone always gets up. Sit. 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 All right. Sit. 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 Capone, come on. Capone. Okay. Sit. Sit. Hogan. Sit. 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 Good. Sit. Sit. Free. Everybody gets to eat. So we have all four eating. Hogan will finish first, and then he'll hover around everybody else. And if anybody's wondering why Cooper's is on a box, that's the only way we can elevate his food. Everything else breaks him out.